Hey, what is up everybody, this is AC Edison and welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to create black and gold effect just like this image. So this tutorial is going to be so much of interesting to learn, and I will show you everything about this tutorial. But before that, let me tell about myself, that who I am and where I am from. Guys, my name is Anant and I am from West Bengal in India, and in this YouTube channel I will teach you about photo editing tutorials, video editing tutorials and much more that you should know about. So I had a YouTube channel called AC Editing Zone, and I lost that channel with 100k subscribers. I don't know why, but YouTube don't like my channel, but that's why I'm creating this channel, and I will show you everything about you should know about photo editing. Just like I want to unleash your creativity in this YouTube channel. And if you are my previous subscriber, then you should be shocked that why I am speaking English language. Guys, I gave a lot of challenges to myself that I am able to speak in English or not, and even my English is not that good, but I am trying to keep learning in myself, and I want to share my own experience that I have, and so that I am creating this channel with English language that everyone can connect with me. But anyhow, let's talk about the video tutorial. So guys, in this video tutorial I will give you a preset that you can use to create like these images. So it is quite interesting and quite easy to learn, but you have to know that how to use this preset, how to use it in Lightroom application. And guys, please support my channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon that you will never miss my another updates of this AC Edition YouTube channel. Sorry, I am speaking AC Editing Zone because I had an experience to speak AC Editing Zone eventually. But anyhow, let's go and start this tutorial. So alright guys, here I am in my photo gallery and I'm going with this image. So first of all, let's just share this image in Lightroom application. So I am sharing this image in my Lightroom application, and also as you can see this photo, this is not actually the photo, this is a DNG file, and we have to create the same color effect in my own photo that I have shared that photo in Lightroom application. So what you can do is you have to download this image from the link in the description. I given the link in the description, so go ahead and download this preset. So also same thing, you have to send this image or share this image in Lightroom application. Now open your Lightroom application. So as you can see, those photos are imported successfully. So first of all, what I am gonna do is, let's just open my photo. So I will open this preset first of all. Now listen to me very carefully guys, that what you should do or not. So first of all, after downloading this preset, open this preset in Lightroom application, and after that go to this three dot icon, then scroll down a bit and copy setting. Now on the right hand side, click on the upper arrow icon. After that the setting will be copied. Then open your image or slide your image. After that go to three dot icon similarly and go to paste setting. All the changes as you can see has been applied very amazingly. It looks very amazing. So guys, if you want to do some more adjustment, then you can easily do it. Let me show you. First of all, go to this icon and you can increase some of clarity if you want more. You can give more vignette effect so that your image looks much better than that, just like this. I will go to this number and I will come into this icon. After that I will increase some sharpening and give some noise reduction. So after that you have to scroll down a bit, and if you want a more depth effect, then you can go to this tab and click on the curve tool just like here, and you can choose flat effect or lip shadow effect. So I will go with flat effect and hit OK. After that I will go this icon, is this sign icon, and decrease the contrast -100, and as you can see your photo is ready. So guys, let me show you the before and after. So this is the before and this is day after. And if you don't know how to save this image, then go to 3 dot icon and save to device. After that choose highest available quality, then okay. Now your photo is will be saved just like this. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you, and if it did, then please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon that you will never miss my another updates. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.